Hello friends, welcome to another review video. This is some kind of PLR. So this is a product from Warrior Plus. Again, this is a cheap product by the looks of it. So it says grab PLR to an e-commerce experts training program. So I think this is some kind of ebook or some kind of training course to start up an e-commerce business. And then you can actually watch this video. They will try to brainwash you, and then you scroll down and they have some colorful reviews which are fake, obviously, and he's the person. And then you have this person, I don't know who are these guys, and you scroll down, and eventually, once they're finished, in the end you have to buy some stuff. And I think it's 15 bucks you have to pay for this ebook. And they claim to give you the steps how to start up an e-commerce business or a website. Now the question we need to ask is that, is it worth to get into this e-commerce thing? Do you really have that time? Do you really have that kind of money to invest in e-commerce? E-commerce is like, you have to start up your own store. You need to have your inventory, you need to have your clothes or shoes or whatever you're gonna sell. So it's e-commerce, it's not drop shipping. So if it's drop shipping, even it is hassle, so much hassle, because in drop shipping you have to buy the product from your own pocket first, and then you'll have to wait for the money to come into your bank account to get some small profits. So I think if you're trying to find a way to make money online, this is the worst idea ever. Starting up an e-commerce website or starting up a drop shipping business. This could be the worst idea ever if you are trying to make money online. And still, let's talk about their website. So it's says at the top, I don't know what the name is, franciochoco.grouppages.com. Now I want to check what is this all about. So when we copy the URL, we have a website called hrefs.com/backlink-checker. You can visit this website, then you can put in any link there, and then you click on check backlinks, complete the captcha, and it will tell you the domain rating. Now the domain rating is 76 and your rating is 11, and they have 0 backlinks, 0 referring domains. Now actually they are using let's go back to this website, group pages. So I'm going to do one thing. I'm going to delete this thing, and then I'm going to delete the initial thing. We'll just go to grouppages.com. right, so this is Group Pages website. It's a funnel thing. So what they're doing is, you must have heard about click funnels. So similarly you have group funnels. Now this page which you see here, sorry, not this one, if you go back here, so this page is not even their website. They don't even have their own hosting, they don't even have their own website. They are marketing this PLR book on GrooveFunnels, which is like ClickBank. So it's a third party again, so they don't control this landing page. GrooveFunnels control the landing page. So what I'm trying to say, or I'm gonna before I end this video, what I'll do is, if you are actually watching this video or you're on Warrior Plus and you're trying to make some money online, first of all, understand you cannot make money overnight. You cannot make money on the internet in just 1 week or 10 days or 1 month. It will take, if you follow what we teach you, it will take at least 6 months, 8 months, 10 months at least to get stable income from the internet. And then that is not by e-commerce, that is not by drop shipping. That is actually by having your own blog or your own website. So what I'll do is, I'll leave a link in the description below, and then if you click on the link, it will open this page. And here on this page you will have this video. It's a 26 minutes long video. Now what I want you to do is watch this video completely, because if you can't watch this video completely for 26 minutes, that means you are not serious. You can never learn how to make money online if you can't watch this video, which is 26 minutes long, because you need to have patience, you need to be dedicated, you need to show some interest. Otherwise you will never be able to make the money. So you can actually watch this video, then come back to this page, and you can go through all these theory here. At the bottom you have all important factors. This is very important for you to read, and then eventually you can decide what would you like to do. So I'll end this video for now, and be aware on Warrior Plus, most of the things are a scam. They will just feed on you, they will just rip you off. So avoid wasting your money, think logically, think very smartly, and do visit this page. I'll put the link in the description, and I'll see you in the next review video shortly.